You really don't want to miss this truly unique Trash to Treasure episode as I repaint this jumbo egg. Hi, welcome to day 4 of 5 days of crafting, Easter crafting. All right, this is going to be a really big project. So I was at the flea market years ago and I found this big egg. It is hand painted and it's enameled and it's really pretty. It's definitely gaudy. It's not a collector's item and it's really not worth much money, but I bought it because I kind of wanted to give props to the artist. I don't know who that person is, but the detail work on this is really amazing. They've dot on it, so there's a little bit of pointillism here and then some hand painting here on the front with the flowers. But the handiwork on it is so incredible. I just felt like, I'm gonna buy it and have it around. I do put it up in one of our shelves and it looks really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and cover it with probably plastic wrap, and then I'm going to paint on top of it, and we'll go ahead and use it as this year's Easter centerpiece. All right, but check out the handiwork on this. It is really amazing. This is enamel work. Every little area of it is hand painted, every little dot, every little brush stroke. So I'm going to upcycle it, but only temporarily. I really love this, and I don't want to destroy it. So I'm going to paint on top of it, but after Easter, it's going to go back to looking just like this. Drop in the Easter egg. Maybe just go halfway so I can get the top of it. And bring it over. And bring out a little bit more. Roll it. About right there. Yeah, this is definitely going to work. All right, I'm getting ready to paint this egg. I was able to cover it with cling wrap, and I'm covering it right now with one coat of enamel, and then we'll cover it a second time with craft paint. Already I can tell it's going to be awesome. I like it already. Now I just need to figure out which side is going to be the front, because we'll continue to decorate it a little bit more, put some ribbons on it. Hot glue gun going now because I want to put some rickrack on it, and even though this is a little bit bright, I'm going to tone it down with some paint on top. So I think that's going to be the front of it. So let's just start gluing it back here. I'm going to go ahead and put a bow on it. And so what I like to do sometimes with this is just make it kind of even, squish it together like that. And you could either just put a wire right here or glue it on just like that. I like it. Okay, here it comes. Here's the reveal. It was such a fun project, and I think it turned out nicely. What do you think? Here it is with yesterday's tin cans and jars that we painted, and the eggs from the day before. This concludes day 4 of the 5 days of Easter crafting. Tell me which project you've enjoyed the most. If by chance you're really bored, you can go back and watch day 1 or day 2 where I painted Easter eggs. Check out day 3 where we painted tin cans and jars. Gigi and I are sending hugs, and we really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe.